What's up, y'all? What's goody? How y'all doing? How you be? So, if I sound a little annoyed, I just did this voiceover, hit okay, and then it just did not take it. So, anyway, we're gonna be using the Beauty Blend Bunny Cosmetics Lure palette again. I've been on a roll with this palette. I actually really do enjoy this so far. I like the mattes, I should say. I like the mattes. But we're also going to be using the little shimmer shade thingy duochrome eyeshadow that my YouTube mommy sent me. We're using it as an eyeshadow base today. So we're going to take this lightest pink shade in the pink row and use it as our transition shade. But girl, yeah, I'm salty. Because I did this whole voiceover. It was nice. I was enjoying it. And now I got to redo it. And sometimes it happens. You know, you can get mad. But I also don't have the palette in front of me to tell y'all the names. So hopefully I got all the pointing of the colors out the way. So I'm not very good at editing. So I'm pretty sure I left most of it in there. So we're going to take that light lavender purple shade. And we're going to pop that right on top of that light baby pink shade we applied. But y'all, sonny, this look came out really, really cute, y'all. I was definitely surprised because this isn't my first time doing this look, y'all. It's like my third or fourth time. I posted several pictures of this on my Instagram already. I was using different blues though. Like I was trying to find the perfect blue, but I haven't found one that I like. But this one works. So yeah, we're gonna take the shade called Booty. The only reason I know is because I first got that palette, I was laughing at that name for so long. Don't ask me why. I just found it funny. But yeah, we're gonna take that and we're gonna pop that in our crease as well using a smaller blending brush type situation. We're also jamming out to music, so this look on my left eye came out a lot more bolder, a lot more darker than the right eye because I was really into my music in this video. Don't ask me. I don't even remember what I was listening to. So yeah, we're gonna take this purple shade and we're going to apply that. I tried to focus it more. It was supposed to be focused more on the bottom half of the eye, but I used the wrong brush and I just kind of went with it because I did it on the other eye. But you can clearly see that that purple kind of took over that pink. Cause yeah, like I was not paying attention. For real, like I was paying attention, but not really paying attention. Anyway, I digress, girl. I digress. Yeah, but yeah, we're just gonna go back in with Booty and blend. When in doubt, honey, blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. I always forget to turn off this fan when I do voiceovers, so I do apologize if y'all hear my fan. But yeah, I don't know. Like I really was wondering what I'm jamming to. I'm gonna have to go turn the volume up and listen. Yeah, pretty original. But yeah, so we're just gonna go back in with all the shades and blend out all the work we just did. Later I'm gonna go and try to lighten the look because she gonna get she got a little bold. Okay, you can clearly see the difference in the size. Like my left eye, excuse me, I bought the shades a lot higher than the right eye. And yeah. So we're gonna go in with this darkest pinky purple shade looking thing, and we're gonna apply that to the other part of our eye. I think that one's called X marks the spot. I believe it's called X marks the spot. And then the dark purple shade is called Tentacles. And the only reason I remember that one is because I read it as testicles when I first got the fucking palette. I was like, that does not say testicles. Trying to get your head out the gutter. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. But yeah. So we're gonna buff those shadows together to create this really pretty dark purple eyeshadow thing. You don't necessarily have to do that. If you have like a dark purple, you can use that or just go in with one or the other. I like to be extra, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. Just nothing wrong with it. So yeah. We're gonna take our little Fit Color eyeshadow thing and we're gonna apply that wand directly to our eye. I have a love-hate relationship with these, you guys. I have a love-hate relationship with it. We're gonna use it again. I'm gonna do like a neutral look with a pop of color type situation, and possibly try it as a lipstick situation. And I probably won't do that one on camera. I'll let you know how it goes though. I'll let you know how it goes. But we're gonna take that blue and we're gonna apply it with our fingers. Like I said, we're using this as an eyeshadow base today, so I'm not really worried about the splotchiness of this eyeshadow. But yeah, I was changing the song. So yeah, we're gonna apply that on top of that base white, still a little bit wet. And go from there. Like, look at that. Look how pretty she is. She is popping. They definitely make a good eyeshadow base. Like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with these. Like, oh, I still use them? Yes. Are they my favorite? No. But I appreciate the thought, you know. So we'll take the shade Pearl, which is that multi-chrome shadow in that palette. I'm not gonna lie though, these did kind of make me want to try out more monochrome, duochrome, multi-chrome shades. I'm looking at the lower palette, the little palette from Blend Bunny, but it's $68. I can't pay $68 for 4 eyeshadows. I can't do it. So I'd rather just buy singles and put them together. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit more, but at least I have my more bang for my buck. But yeah, I might try some duochrome, multi-chrome situations. So anyway, we're just gonna go back in with all the shades and blend out, make sure everything's blended, and this is where I'm gonna try to like lighten my crease. So anyway, moving on from the eyes, y'all, we're gonna go in with our Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. This is not my favorite eyeliner, y'all. I'm just trying to finish it up. It's almost gone. It is almost gone. Now, I buy this because it's cheap and expensive and it works. It just, sometimes, like, I feel like the formula dries out. It's, like, not as easy to apply. So, you're not supposed to tug on your eyes, which I know, but YOLO, bro. It's the only time, like, the only way I can get my eyeliner to stay in my waterline or go in my waterline without, like, stabbing myself in the eye. Also, y'all gonna see my contact move because my eyes, I had to apply my contacts when they're a little bit dry because it won't stick. It does that the whole time. I thought it was gonna pop out. I was about to be pissed the fuck off. So nope, we ain't doing this today. Stay still. Yeah, she eventually cooled her tits and sat back on the eye like she's supposed to, but I have to apply my contacts while they're dry because it doesn't work for me because my eyes are watery naturally. So, anyway, my face makeup is already done, girl. Let me tell you. Listen, Linda, I was feeling myself. I mean, there was a lot of bronzer on my forehead, but I didn't dislike it. Okay, I didn't dislike it. So we're gonna work on our bottom lash line, and I'm going in with the 2 blue shades, not the last one, but the one I pointed at and the one below that. We're gonna pop a little bit more blue on the bottom lash line because I feel like this look needed a little bit more blue. And then we're going to finish off with that purple so we can tie it into the end. Tie it into the outer part of our eye. My cat scared the shit out of me because all I see was something flop on a fridge. My mini fridge is behind my desk, which I don't use it, but yeah, she scared me. I was like, what the hell was that? And I was like, what are you doing? She was looking at something, so I thought it was going to be a spider or something crawling on my wall. I was about to be like, God damn it. Cause she ain't gonna kill it. She'll just look at it and swat it and play with it. Then I gotta go squash it. Or let it outside, depending on how I feel that day. But yeah, we're just gonna go in with one brush and smudge all those shades on the bottom lash line. You can't really tell, y'all, because one, I don't really like to do my bottom lash line, so I don't like to put a lot on the bottom lash line, but I felt like it needed a little bit something. It definitely gave the look a little bit more oomph, but you know. Ooh, man, when I tell you, I was literally feeling myself. I wish I was going to the club or something. I do. I was being cute. So we're gonna take this CoverGirl mascara. Don't ask me which one it is. I don't know. I like the mascara formula. I hate the wand. I hate the wand. Like, the wand is trash. Why do they gotta make stuff so difficult? Like, it's supposed to do this. No, my lashes look the same. It don't matter what mascara I use. Unless it's like a clumpy mascara, like, no. Nah, I wouldn't use it at that point. But my lashes was looking good. I was really surprised. This is only my second time using this one, so look at that. Alright, anyway, so I ended up using 2 different lipsticks, but they're so close in color that it just looked the same. Now, this lipstick, I'm not for sure what it's called. I think it's Attitude or something. It's something with an A. I have to look. I'm gonna find it. But yeah, the shade we're gonna use in the middle is called Hypnotize, and it's this bright fuchsia, hot pink looking lipstick. And bitch, when I tell y'all my lips was popping, my lips was popping. But I was like, okay, well that didn't give me the ombre effect that I wanted, so let's put some gloss on it. Didn't give me the effect I wanted. Put some gloss on it. Gloss fix everything. We're gonna take the One Size Lip Snatcher in the shade Open Wide, and we're just gonna use the gloss part. Now, to be fair and give y'all a warning, these Beauty Creations Seal the Deal lipsticks take forever to dry. Like forever to dry. So she was kind of wet when I put the lip gloss on. I did go in and wipe the wand off, but I wasn't really too worried about it because I already got lipstick in the gloss, so it just creates this pretty pink iridescent situation, so I ain't really too bad at it. Anyway, we're taking the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and we're spraying the hell out of our face, honey. You know, you gotta get that cheap fan going on. I've had this fan since middle school. Okay? You know how many years that is? A lot. I ain't doing the math. But yeah, anyway, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoy doing this full glam. Like, when I tell y'all I was ready to go party and I was feeling myself, minus my fucked up teeth, bitch, I was feeling myself, like, hands down. So, you know, no look is complete without big hoops, honey. Well, they're not that big because I'm short, and yeah. So we're gonna take these hexagon looking, I don't know what fucking shape that is, stop sign looking earrings and popping those in. I was gonna use my big heart earrings, but I'm like, I'm tired of using those. I wear those in like almost every video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.